well over 1 million Brazilian proxy IPs. Each one is a real IP and highly secure. There is a huge pool of proxy IPs in the Brazil region. The proxy IPs here are scattered in various cities in Brazil, increasing your options. The proxy IP in Brazil runs fast and rotates quickly. This can effectively prevent you from being restricted when conducting commercial activities. Retrieve public data with state or even city-level accuracy. This ensures the accuracy of your data capture. There are 2 proxy plans for you to choose from. First, check whether the whitelist is added. Select Brazil in the country options. The proxy protocol takes HTTP as an example. Then select Sticky IP. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open the fingerprint browser. We need to use the fingerprint browser to configure the proxy IP. Click to add a new environment. Give the new environment a name. Choose Twitter as a platform. Select HTTP proxy protocol. Copy the proxy IP in Lunaproxy. Click to check proxy IP. A section of green font appears, which means the detection is successful. Then click Confirm. Open the newly created browser. The IP address has been successfully transferred to Brazil. The language displayed on Twitter at this time has changed to Portuguese. Lunaproxy as dynamic residential proxies and unlimited residential proxies offer Brazilian proxy IPs. Dynamic residential proxy has 5 price plans, with coupons available for the 280 GB package. Unlimited residential proxy comes in 4 price plans. Enjoy discounts of up to 54%.